Hello everyone, it's Dashless Gaming. Welcome to the train final boss. Let's see if I can prove that.
Here goes.
Alright. Stop shooting eyeballs or you'll be oaked as me. Fudge. And I died. I hate this game.
And begin.
I got it. Alright, let's do this. You're attempting to... Oh, fudge. No, I keep losing my health. Railroad Rust! Alright, final boss, and then I'm done. Alright, time for my final derails. Alright. Whoever messes with the skeleton loses. Oh, that was lucky. Haha. You suck at this. Ooh, that was pretty close. Yeah, that's what you get, sucker. Cause I'm about to suck ass. Alright. Here you go. Oh my god. This one. I'm almost there. Don't worry about that. Survive without getting killed. Alright, Cuphead. My name is Cupdash. And second of all, oh fudge, not this time. What the hell? I'm going back. Alright. This time I won't take damage anymore. Whoosh! I'm gonna go die. Because this one keeps killing me so many times. Alright. Let me start with Tracer. Alright, come on. Win for me. Win for Papa. That was really easy. I thought I was gonna drop. Alright. Alright, die, you stupid fool. Yes! Let's go! Alright. Alright, what else do we have next? A skeleton. I got this. Alright. I'll just say on its head. Alright, come on. I'll defeat this guy. Oh, it's be easy. Jesus Christ. Not to be so harsh. Nice. Alright, let's see what else is next. Lucky skeleton. Nice. Alright, train's turn. Let's see if I can handle with my chaser. Alright. Oh, he's so close. I'm gonna attack it by its heart. And I died. What a glorious night for me to bring the fright. And I am so... That was stupid. Alright. Alright, come on. Win for me. Time to win this glorious joint. Oh crap. Alright. This thing might take a long time. Alright. It says the glorious night might be a fright. Jesus. God, no. Oh, heck no. I'm taking any promises. Jesus. I'll just die. I'll just equip this twin heart. Alright. 5 health now. Little winning hearts. Alright. Alright, come on. You'll be counting worms? I don't think so. Because you're in trouble. Right, time for my final double down. Oh my god. Why am I worse than this? Alright. was really, really close. So timing on that. Alright, I'm staying on the tracks. Alright, come on. Beat him. Lucky skull. Oh jeez. Nice, I got 3 health. See if we can survive this sturdy ass train. Alright, ding dong, shring dong. It's time to turn the heat up. I raise my balls. Want my balls to go higher? It's up to you. Ah, heck no. I'm not taking my damn. Nice score. Sweet, sweet Jesus. Man. Let's see what I got. Let's see what I got. Let's see what I got. Darn. And what do I get? Is that an A? Darn, I got a B. Well, that was awkward. Yes. Let me just check. Oh hey, nice. If you guys liking this video, please subscribe. See you in the finale of Inkwell Hell. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See ya.